People want India to progress, and they've seen last 10 years. Last 10 years is performance of this government is definitely in the minds of the people, and therefore I think that will be the one with which they've come to the booth. You can see the enthusiasm. Senior citizens in particular, I'm very grateful, have just come out of their homes and they are in long queues. They are not grudging. They are not saying, oh, it's taking too long. They are there. And some of them, I know the Election Commission, in fact, I'm grateful to the Election Commission. Election Commission has made a provision that they can vote from home. But despite that, inclusive of my parents, despite that, many senior citizens have chosen to come and be here, feel the pulse and cast their vote. I welcome that. I was also very happy to see a lot of one-time voters, the first-time voters, first-time voters who were here. I stood with them, had some pictures clicked. The enthusiasm among the senior citizens and enthusiasm among the young, the first-time voters, is very encouraging.
Ma'am, Bengaluru South historically has had an abysmally low vote percentage. This time there's concern about the heat, plus it's a long weekend. What would your message be to people in the
No, I would want Bengaluru South also to set a record.
तो देखिए, केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण को आपने सुना। पहले तो उन्होंने बीजेपी की तारीफ की कि 10 साल में किस तरीके से काम किया है। साथ ही चुनाव आयोग का भी आभार जताया कि सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए उन्होंने खास व्यवस्थाएं की है कि वो अपने घर से ही अपने मत का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। और चलिए अब आपको 12 तस्वीरें दिखाते हैं कि आज दूसरे फेज में 12 दिग्गजों